In this video, I will show you how to replace the smart key antenna located in the rear bumper of this 4th generation Kia Sportage. The smart key antenna is responsible for detecting the proximity of your key fob when you approach or unlock the vehicle from the rear. If it fails, you will not be able to unlock the liftgate using the smart key. The smart key antenna in the rear bumper is actually very easy to access. You do not have to remove the bumper or any other trim. Instead, you just have to get under the vehicle. The antenna is mounted right in the middle of the rear bumper, just above the exhaust area. So before you start, make sure the exhaust pipe is completely cool to the touch. If you have recently driven the car, give it enough time to cool down to avoid burns. Once you are under the vehicle, look up toward the center of the bumper. You will see the smart key antenna. It's a small rectangular module secured in place with 2 screws and connected with a wiring harness. Carefully disconnect the wiring connector by pressing down on the release tab and pulling it straight out. Then remove the screws holding the antenna in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. And slide the antenna out. Here is a close-up of the smart key antenna. This is the part number. Take your new smart key antenna, position it in the same spot, and secure it with the screws. Then reconnect the wiring harness until it clicks into place. Make sure the connector is locked in properly. And that's how you replace the smart key antenna in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Ease Join for more DIY car maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching.